Economic order quantity. Economic order quantity is denotes by EOQ. It is a quantity refers to the quantity to be purchased every time so as to minimize the total cost associated with purchase. Earlier we know that there are some total costs associated with purchase, and EOQ means economic order quantity minimize the total associated cost with purchase. Total cost associated with purchase is equal to ordering cost and carrying cost. Size of the order in which both costs are minimum is known as economic order quantity. It is also known as reorder quantity. Approaches to determine EOQ: tabular approach, algebraic approach, and graphical approach. We can calculate or determine economic order quantity in three approaches: in a tabular form, in algebraic formula, and graphical presentation. Ordering cost. In economic order quantity, there are two costs: ordering and carrying. In economic order quantity, both the costs are minimum in respect of economic order quantity. Ordering costs include preparation of purchase order, documentation processing, transport cost, cost of receiving material, setup and tooling cost, cost of changing orders, rejecting faulty materials. Carrying cost means storage cost, stores running cost, handling cost, required rate of return on investment like interest cost, insurance and security cost, and obsolescence cost means wastage cost. These are the two components of total cost in respect of purchase. One is ordering cost and another is carrying cost. Assumption. There are certain assumptions of economic order quantity. First, purchase price of the material per unit remain constant. The first and foremost assumption of economic order quantity, the purchase price of material per unit remain constant. Second, ordering cost per order is remain constant and known in advance. Third, carrying cost per unit per annum remain constant and known in advance. Annual requirement of material is predetermined and fixed. Production schedule is uniform throughout the year. There are no discount based on quantity purchase. Means there is no discount available if you purchase single quantity or 100 quantity or 1000 quantity. Economic order quantity based on the assumption that if we know, the question is our annual consumption is equal to 3600 units. If I one order in a year or 12 order in a year, means it is single and it is per month. There are certain merits and demerits in both the situation. First, if we single order for 3600 units, what is the result? My ordering cost is lower because I place only one order, but a huge quantity of goods come after the ordering and my storage and carrying cost will be increasing. But in second case, if I place 12 order in a year, then my ordering cost in respect of multiplied by 12, and ordering cost also include transportation cost. In first case only one transportation cost, and in the second case 12 transportation cost in 12 order. But in second case we purchase only 300 units per month. So in this case my storage and carrying cost minimize. Economic order quantity provides such a order quantity in which both the costs are minimum. Is it clear? Let's clear with the example. Calculate the economic order quantity from the following information. Annual consumption 1200 unit, ordering cost per order rupees 200, unit price rupees 100. Is it clear? Carrying cost 12% of average inventory. There are three approaches to determine economic order quantity. First is tabular approach, second arithmetical approach, and third graphical approach. We discuss one by one. Here tabular approach. In tabular approach, if number of per order is 1, in this case unit per order is 1200, average inventory is 600. Average inventory means unit by 2, and value of average inventory is rupees 100, then the cost of inventory is 60,000. Carrying cost 12%, then 12% of value, that is 12% of 60,000, that is 7,200. Ordering cost per order 200, and number of order per year 1, then ordering cost is 200, then total cost 7,400. Is it clear? Please respond. Number of order per year 2, then unit per order is 600, that is 1200 unit divided by 2, 600, and average inventory is 300, and value of average inventory 300 multiplied by 100, that is 30,000, and the carrying cost is 12% of 30,000, and ordering cost 200 into 2, then total cost is 4,000. In case of 3 order, unit per order is 400, average inventory 400 divided by 2, and the total value of inventory 20,000, then 12% of 20,000, that is 2,400, and the ordering cost 200 into 3, 600, then total inventory cost is 3,000. In the case of 4, this is 300, and this is 150, and this is 50,000, and 12% of 15,000 is 1,800, and 4 order 200 per order, that is 8,100, or that is 2,600. In case of 6, we skip 5, then 200, average inventory 100, that is 10,000, 12% of 10,000, 1200, and 6 order or 200 per order, that is 1200, that is 20. After that 8, this is 150, average inventory 75, value of inventory 75 into 100, 12% of 75, that is 900, 8 order means 1600, that is 2500. Please see the remarks here to here. Total cost decrease and after that total cost increase means in this situation EOQ means in this situation when we order 6 number of order means 200 unit is the my economic order quantity, because in this our ordering cost and carrying cost both are minimum. Total is minimum 2400. Is it clear? Please respond. Okay. This is the tabular approach. This is the final result we are discussing in earlier slide. This is my economic order quantity, because in this quantity the total cost of material is lowest. This is the our economic order quantity, means in which when we order 6 in a year, my unit per order is 200. This is my economic order quantity, and in economic order quantity the total cost of material is 2400. Is it clear? Next is economic order quantity in algebraic approach. In algebraic approach is a clear-cut formula. Economic order quantity is equal to under root 2a multiplied b upon c. Here a is equal to annual consumption, b is equal to ordering cost per order, C is equal to carrying cost per unit annually. And annual consumption is clear in previous question, 1200 unit, ordering cost per unit per order 200, and carrying cost annually 100 into 12%, that is rupees 12 carrying cost per unit annually. We put in the formula. Formula is under root 2 AB divided by C. Then here A is equal to 1200. Here A is equal to 1200, B is equal to 200. Then 1200 multiplied 200. 2 is the fix in formula upon 12. 12 is our carrying cost per unit. Then we can solve easily. Under root 200 multiplied by 200 and 200 units. You can see now कि in algebraic approach or tabular approach, the economic order quantity in both the cases is 200 unit. You can solve in tabular manner or you can solve the problem with algebraic approach. Is it clear? Okay. Total cost of inventory based on EOQ. it is the calculation in respect of algebraic approach, the how to identify the total cost of inventory based on EOQ. My EOQ is 200 unit, total ordering cost, total carrying cost. Number of order annually multiplied by cost per order, and total carrying cost is equal to average inventory multiplied by carrying cost per unit. In total ordering cost and total carrying cost, total number of our order 6, because my annual consumption is 1200 unit and in AOQ 200 unit, then we order 6 to purchase annually. And average inventory cost for 200 unit divide by 2, it is average inventory and multiplied by 12 carrying cost per unit. Then my total cost based on EOQ is 2400. In tabular form, you can check rupees 2400 is total cost, because ordering cost 1200 and carrying cost 1200, both the total cost based on EOQ. This is the third approach for EOQ, is graphical approach. Here is the point of EOQ in which total carrying cost, this is carrying cost reduced, and total ordering cost increase. Because if we order one good, if one order, the ordering cost is 200, but in respect of carrying cost is this much. If we 2 order in a year, our ordering cost is double multiplied by 2, but carrying cost is reduced. In respect of 3 order, ordering cost is 600 and carrying cost reduced to this much. In respect of 4, in respect of 5, in respect of 7. Here we calculate in this situation and in this situation. In this situation, the total cost 2500, in this 2440, but in economic order quantity, means EOQ, the total cost 2400, that is the least total cost. Is it clear? EOQ in graphical approach. There are 3 approaches: tabular approach, algebraic approach and graphical approach. And here we can see that the total cost of inventory is 2400, out of which 1200 is ordering cost and 1200 is carrying cost. Both are cut in this point. This is the our economic order quantity. Is it clear? Thank you.